Hello everybody, how are you doing? It is Andrea on this beautiful sun-kissed summer afternoon here up in the States, obviously, in the Northeast. Although this morning we had a little bit brisk air, so it was a little bit chilly, but who's to say chilly for people? Who would have thought chilly is 78 degrees Fahrenheit? But it comes with the territory. The sun is shining. All the animals, the cicadas are out, the hawks are approaching, and again, an airplane is flying by once I do my video. But enough about that. How are you doing? I am so excited. I am getting closer and closer to finishing my projects. Everyone who I'm walking with their journey is exceeding their fullest potential and doing well. Life is good, my friends. I cannot wait. I am helping people organize their life, budget their time, get prepared to step into the next level of meeting and exceeding their fullest potential and truly believing. If you want to take part in walking the journey as I walk beside you on achieving your goals, mastering time management, getting yourself to the next level, getting yourself out of the comfort zone, allowing yourself to forgive others, to heal, to feel, and to no longer be a victim of abuse or bullying of any kind, then I'm here. I am here to help and walk beside you every step of the way because I believe that your life is valuable. What you have gone through is part of the foundation of who you are. What you have experienced is part of who you are. In some way, at some point, we are at different levels in our journeys where when we have suffered the most is where we can heal those in need. Where we have excelled, we can teach, mentor, and coach on the do's and don'ts of their experiences and not to feel vulnerable, not to feel weak, not to feel invincible, that they're the only ones going through it. You have a well-rounded life, whether you are coming from fortune or misfortune, abundance or the lack thereof, whether you have a full plate of goals and tasks you will want to achieve, or you're still lost. I am here to walk beside you because I believe in you. I've had strong, favorable, and caring parents and mentors all throughout my life, coaches and people who were my cheerleaders. But on the other side of the coin, I had people who weighed me down, the non-believers, the naysayers, who were closer to me than my fans, than my supporters, believe it or not. Who would have thought your loved ones can tear you down, who are not in support of what you do, but yet a complete stranger on the other side of the world is supporting you every second of the way. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all about perspective. It's about what you emulate and give off, as well as what you receive and what you're grateful for. Start your day with a gratitude attitude. Make sure you are living your life to the fullest and making sure that you pave the way for yourself. Life is not cookie cutter. Everybody has their own ingredients and recipe on how to handle things. But once you learn through self-discovery, assurance, and awareness, you can help those in need who may be struggling at this time. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, your certified motivational speaker, global voice under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and yours truly who brings you daily content every day with the external noises of actual life, leaf blowers, yardsmen, airplanes, locusts, you name it, and cicadas. I am here bringing you content because I believe in you every single day. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join andreamasons.com. Check out what's coming up next for you, what offerings, what support services and projects are in the works. And on that note, I encourage you to remember, every single light, every single day, you have a choice to press play. Plan life according to you. Coming to you live from nature, from the sun-kissed summer days, the dog days of summer, the last couple of weeks of August, reminding you to follow your heart, not the hurt nor the herd, for happiness and success are on the other side. Join me so we can make your dreams become reality, living your best life.